Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW A70 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this BLACKVIEW. Start by going into settings and choosing apps and notifications right away. Now choose Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like location. Then select one of your apps. I will go with maybe feed and select one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with the first one, so I have to click on it, tap on the back button, and now when I swipe up, as you can see, feed just gained access to this device location. But you can always pick any feature and select one of your apps. I will go with Chrome. Then instead you need to select See all Chrome's permissions and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!